Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best RC helicopter on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner, an experienced pilot, or simply looking for a fun and realistic remote control aircraft, today's list has something for every skill level. We've selected the top 5 best RC helicopters based on flight performance, stability, durability, features, ease of use, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's take off and get started. Number 1. REALFLIGHT Evolution RC Flight Simulator with Interlink DX Controller. Starting our list is something a little different but incredibly valuable for every RC helicopter enthusiast. The REALFLIGHT Evolution RC Flight Simulator lets you practice flying without risking damage to an expensive helicopter. It includes the realistic Interlink DX controller and features hundreds of aircraft, including helicopters, airplanes, and drones. The simulator offers advanced physics, adjustable weather conditions, multiplayer support, and compatibility with VR headsets for an immersive training experience. Whether you're learning basic hovering or practicing advanced aerobatics, this simulator helps build confidence before flying a real RC helicopter. Pros: extremely realistic flight physics, includes Interlink DX controller, supports helicopters, airplanes, and drones, VR headset compatible, online multiplayer support, excellent for beginners and experienced pilots. Number 2. RC Helicopter with 8K Camera. The RC helicopter with camera combines traditional helicopter flying with modern aerial photography features. Equipped with an 8K camera, it allows users to capture high-resolution photos and videos while enjoying stable flight. Features like altitude hold help maintain steady hovering, making it easier to capture smoother footage. Bright LED lights improve visibility during evening flights, while the ready-to-fly design allows users to start flying almost immediately after charging. It's a great option for anyone looking to combine fun flying with aerial photography. Pros: built-in high-resolution camera, altitude hold for stable flight, LED lighting system, easy ready-to-fly setup, smooth controls, great for beginners and casual users. Number 3. GoolRC WLtoys K170 Brushless RC Helicopter. The GoolRC WLtoys K170 is a military-inspired RC helicopter designed for realistic flight and dependable performance. Powered by a brushless motor and equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilization system, it offers excellent control even for newer pilots. Its 4-channel control system allows smooth forward, backward, left, right, ascent, descent, and rotation. The detailed military appearance makes it especially appealing to collectors and aviation enthusiasts. Its lightweight yet durable construction provides long-lasting performance during outdoor flights. Pros: brushless motor for reliable performance, 6-axis gyro stabilization, stable and smooth flight, military-style scale appearance, easy for beginners to learn, durable lightweight design. Number 4. UH-1 Huey Collectible RC Helicopter. The UH-1 Huey RC helicopter recreates one of the world's most iconic military helicopters in a detailed 1/27th scale model. It features automatic hover functionality, making flying much easier for beginners while still offering enjoyable control for experienced users. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing longer flying sessions with less downtime. Its authentic design and stable controls make it both a collectible display model and an entertaining flying aircraft. Pros: realistic UH-1 Huey scale model, auto hover technology, includes 2 rechargeable batteries, stable flight performance, beginner-friendly controls, excellent display quality. Number 5. 315mm UH-1 6-channel brushless RC helicopter. Rounding out our list is the advanced 315mm UH-1 remote control helicopter. Built for hobbyists seeking more advanced flight capabilities, this model features 6-channel controls, a powerful brushless motor, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and impressive aerobatic functions. It supports inverted flight and 3D rolling maneuvers, giving experienced pilots plenty of room to develop advanced flying skills. The included 2 batteries extend flight time, while the ready-to-fly package lets you begin flying with minimal setup. Pros: advanced 6-channel controls, powerful brushless motor, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, supports 3D aerobatic maneuvers, includes 2 rechargeable batteries. That wraps up our picks for the top 5 best RC helicopters on Amazon in 2026. If you're completely new to RC flying, the REALFLIGHT Evolution Flight Simulator is one of the best investments you can make to learn safely before flying real aircraft. For users interested in aerial photography, the RC helicopter with 8K camera offers a unique combination of flight and video recording. The GoolRC WLtoys K170 delivers reliable brushless performance and excellent stability, while the UH-1 Huey collectible helicopter offers a perfect balance of realism and beginner-friendly controls. For advanced hobbyists looking for aerobatic performance, the 315mm UH-1 6-channel brushless helicopter stands out with its powerful features and precision controls. No matter which model you choose, each of these products provides a fun and exciting flying experience for RC enthusiasts of all skill levels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest RC aircraft reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.